This color though, Jesus. Huge fan. If I knock out my earring one more time, I'm gonna knock somebody out. Bow. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kai. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be installing this bomb AF human hair headband wig. This texture is literally everything, and I'm also giving you guys a little sneak peek of this eyeshadow palette, or I don't even know why I called that sneak peek because this is literally like a full-on show. I don't know why I said sneak peek, but I'm giving you guys an eyeshadow look as well because I know I always come on camera, I'll never be wearing eyeshadow, but I absolutely gotta say that this palette has made me fall in love with eyeshadow again. So make sure y'all watch that portion of the video as well, because do you see this pink? I don't know if you're a fan of pink, but she's popping. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Before we jump into the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and follow me on my socials. They'll be right here on my screen and in my description bar below as well. And let's go ahead and jump into the next clip. Here is the packaging, by the way, for the Wig Encounters unit. Unfortunately, you know, delivery companies must dislike your girl, because every time I get my stuff is always beat up. Okay, every time I get my packages, they're always beat up. But I do feel like this package was once really beautiful because I love black packaging, but unfortunately this is how she arrived, all beat up. Okay, so before we jump into the wig, I wanted to show you guys this really cute eyeshadow palette that I got from EBIN, New York. I absolutely love their products, and I was really surprised actually because I wasn't aware that they had like eyeshadow palettes. I knew they had beauty products, but for some reason I just never knew they had eyeshadow palettes. So that is what I have today. This is what their PR package looks like. And I thought it would be pretty cool to show you guys how I create eyeshadow looks, because I never really do them on my channel much. So I'm gonna do one that's like really simple. But yeah, so I love their hair products and beauty products they offer. One of their edge controls is my most absolute favorite edge control. You guys have seen me use it on my channel quite a lot. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like in the inside. It's real pretty. This is what the outside looks like. So I'm going to use the Afterlife color Soul in Paradise, and this is their Secret of Pharaoh pressed pigment palette. I'm gonna start off with Afterlife. See how the pigment, it looks like it's real pigmented because my brush is like full of color, which is awesome. Wow, this color is really pretty. Oh my. Oh my. This color is gorgeous. Hello. And just go around these edges, smooth them out. And then I'm going to go back in, pack on Afterlife. Wishing that you guys could help me, but I'm trying to figure out if I want to do the glitter or should I do Love Poison and just stick with like a matte pink. I'm thinking I'm gonna do Love Poison. I don't really want glitter on my eyes today, but if you guys want to see me do another tutorial with the Paradise color, which is the shimmer, then just let me know in the comment sections and I'll do a separate video on it. Wow. 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 That's all I can say is wow. This color is beautiful. Jeez. Okay. Kinda having a mini heart attack because I had fallout on my face and I had a flawless foundation beat today, and now that's happening. This color though, Jesus, they went in. I see you, EBIN. Not only do you have amazing hair products, you have amazing eyeshadow palettes. Okay. I see it. I see all of this. Eyeshadow is now complete. Now we're just going to add the lashes and then we're going to jump into this hair. I'll show you guys what the back looks like. But this texture is amazing. Okay, I love this texture. I thought I was gonna like add some water to it, but I don't want to wear it like this. This is definitely my style right here. Give me something that is kinky and I'm gonna love you forever. That came out incorrect, but you know what I mean. Like kinky texture hair, honey. Now this is a look right here. I don't even want to add a headband. I guess I'm gonna pick one of these, but these are the two headbands they gave me. I have on a brown shirt with this bright makeup, so I guess I'm gonna do this one because it's the closest thing to match my makeup right now. So I called this kinky texture hair, but it's Coarse Curly Fro is the texture description. Okay, so it's still a look even with the headband. I thought it was probably going to take away, but it adds just a little bit of extra flavor we need to the look. Okay, so let's go ahead and give you guys some details about the unit from Wig Encounters. So they were kind enough to send over today's unit. So the description info of this unit from the stock card is it's 20 inches. The hair density is 150% density. The hair color is a natural black color, so I would give it about a 1B or 2 color reference. The hair texture is Coarse Curly Fro is what it says for 4B to 4C texture hair. So I called it kinky texture, but to me they kind of sort of fall in the same description category, but I see where they're coming from with the difference of the description. Okay, so and then the cap construction, of course, is that it is a headband wig. Every time I say headband wig, I always be wanting to say handband wig. I just don't come out right. And then I have the two different headbands that they sent with it. Due to me having eyeshadow on today, I stuck with this one because I felt like it was more matchy, especially since I have on the brown shirt today. Kind of just all flows together. They're a good play on colors. But let's get into the quality of the unit, shall we? The unit is my new favorite headband wig. Okay, I feel like every time I get one, it kind of switches and changes, but this is by far my most favorite texture of headband wigs that I have received, and I actually don't think I received one in this texture before. But if you have 4B to 4C hair and you don't like wearing your own natural hair, this would be your best friend because it literally will be like the same texture of your hair. You really just feel like you're wearing your own hair out. So yeah, I am a big fan of this texture for sure. You can also wet this and comb it out if you want, but I really love like where it's sitting right now. If I was to add some water and comb this out, it wouldn't make it look terrible. It would just look like it's just like wet hair, and I don't really want the wet hair look. I really like how this looks like this. Just so you guys know that it does, like, it can be made into other styles. I'm gonna create one more style for you. Okay, this is cute. Literally looks like I just put my hair in a cute little bun, like my own natural hair. That was really easy to do. All right guys, so I showed you 2 looks that you can create with this unit. All in all, I would rate this unit a good 9.5 out of 10. I absolutely really love it. The texture, to the density, to the smell, the feel, the style, all of it. It is literally perfection. I was also pulling on it some. I'm not getting any shedding. Like, you can wash this unit. It's human hair. Remember that. So I'm going to have all the information in the description bar below if you are interested in purchasing this unit. I highly recommend trying it though. it's a really good one. Like, I am obsessed. I literally am obsessed. Make sure you guys check out the description bar for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in this eyeshadow palette as well, make sure y'all check out the description bar for that, because this palette, honey, this palette made me fall in love with eyeshadow again. Okay, so yeah, make sure you check out for that as well. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you again to Wig Encounters for providing me with this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.